Hey guys, Alicia here. This video is going to be part one of 2 or possibly 3 video series on how to start a local social media marketing business. And this is something that anyone can do. And this video is going to be on how to get clients. Okay, so right now I am on my Facebook group page, Etsy Passive Income, and I'm on this for a reason. If you have not yet joined my Facebook group on Etsy Passive Income, please make sure to go. You can go by searching under groups, and this is what it looks like. Make sure you answer the 2 questions, and one of the moderators or myself will allow you into the group. Make sure you answer those questions because we do not allow any spam, and I have the board being monitored almost 24 hours, so it gets removed immediately. And if you don't answer the questions, we have to decline those. So I'm just on here. This is just my page. I didn't want my personal page to show. So is how you're going to get clients is, first of all, you can either think of, some local businesses that are close by to your home, and you're going to check and see if they have a Facebook page, okay? I'm going to do Instagram in another video. So right now we're focusing on Facebook, okay? So I'm going to start with a local business right around the corner from me, and I'm just going to take a look. And it's Troy's Wrecker Service. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click on this, and I'm taking a look at his page right here, and it's like, I could see a lot of room for improvement. Right here, this photo, even though it shows Troy's Wrecker Service here, the top of it is cut off. Here's his logo. I feel like that could be a little bit better. And, when you go down through some of the posts, I can understand that they've got some photos here of, people that are working there. That's awesome, or whatever. But as far as the main page, okay, I think it could stand some improvement. Okay, so then is what you would want to do to gain a client is that you would go there, you would take a photograph, and a really good photograph, and you would edit it and make it look really nice. You could also make a new logo. Possibly, if you look over here, it looks like the T is even cut off on here. And then you could present that to them and say, hey, here's what I've got. I can do this for you, and you do your design for you. There's many aspects to social media marketing. You could also ask for access so that you could manage their page if you gained enough trust, in doing them. Another way to find it is if you have friends who have local businesses. Now, I do have one, and he is about to go out of business. I think he's getting into something different. So I'm just going to type okay, so here's his page right here. I actually know him personally. So right here it looks like he has this looking pretty good. His logo right here looks pretty good. However, it doesn't say Lights Out Bar and Grill right here. So, this is just something, where he advertises when he has people who are coming to play music, things like that there. And I think he's doing a great job here. In this case, when you find someone that already has a page that looks really good, you could offer to manage their page for them. As far as pricing, that would be something that would be up to you and how you want to get paid on how to do that. So you could come up with a pricing structure on what you offer. If you're going to do the design aspect of it and make posts continuously, then that is something that you could offer in your package. Okay. So let me see if there's one. I know there's a new business. Let's see. Grissom Auto. Okay, so I'm not seeing, there is a business that opened up several months ago right around the corner from me, and it's called Grissom Auto Repair. And I'm seeing that they don't even have a Facebook page. So that is something that you could go, to their business, and you could actually make a page for them and say, and then of course delete it if they didn't want your services. And this is something that you could present to them, and say, I can make your designs for you. I can manage your page for you, answering questions. And you would have to come up with some sort of a script, and you would have to get to know the business itself so that you would be able to answer those questions for them. Especially after hours. And a lot of businesses, especially local businesses, they're really busy and they just don't have the time, to keep up with their social media. So this is why sometimes they will outsource it and they'll let somebody else do this. Sometimes they'll have an employee that already works there do it, and sometimes they don't because the employees, it just depends. We're talking about local small businesses. So I'm seeing that, he does not have a Facebook page, but he needs one. I've seen his lot and it's very nice, and now he needs a Facebook page. So that is definitely something to do, for that. Another great idea, and I have actually gotten permission from them, Craig and Landreth Cars, and they're going to be mentioned in my next video on the design part. Okay, so they actually have an awesome video right here at the top of their page, showing the location, showing everything on here. Now, in my next video, I'm going to be showing you how you can take some of the photographs. Okay, you can actually go to car dealerships are great because you can actually go there and you can take pictures of their vehicles and say, this is deal of the day, and you can stay in contact with the dealership and, say, hey, what are your deals this week? Let me know. You can offer to photograph the vehicle for them, ask for the price and what they want it to say, and you can make posts like that. You can also make posts like this. So they're looking for a detailer. So they made this post, experience detailer needed. Okay, so I don't know that I like the font here on this for looking for a detailer, but they do have their logo and they have a phone number to call, and this is just something that you could actually design yourself very easily. This video is about getting clients. Okay, so there's one more I wanted to go into that Kearney Motorsports. Okay, he actually does a pretty good job. However, right here, his logo is cut off right here. Now, he's right around the corner from me. His name's Corey. And his cover photo, it's a shamrock, but it's cut off. and it doesn't even say Kearney Motorsports. It looks like he's doing pretty good about posting photos here. A lot of dealerships will do this when a car is sold. They always, say thank you to the customer, congratulations to the person who purchased the vehicle. And right here, this is deal of the day. This is awesome, and this is something that you could design as well. And you could also offer to go there, maybe once a week. You could pick a day after you schedule a consultation with them to talk about doing their social media marketing for them and show them that you can do it and you can do it awesome, and you can also manage their page. It depends on what you want to do. If you just want to do the design part of it, then you do the design part of it. But if you want to start answering questions and things like that, then you're going to have to really get to know the business so that you're able to answer those questions. And you would probably need to spend a little bit of time each week with that business so that you could kind of get to know what they're what their needs are. So I really like this, how he has posted a picture of a vehicle, 2016 Honda Accord, and he has it on here, Kearney Motorsports Deal of the Day. And this is something that is attention grabbing. He's got on here, it has 76,000 miles, front wheel drive. He's got everything on here, backup camera, heated leather seats, power sunroof, traction control. And he put on here grand opening. Now, he's actually been open for a while, but he moved, and that means that his business is growing. And he's now got a really nice lot right around the corner. So he's doing the same thing here, where he is posting pictures of people who have purchased and making, saying thank you to them. Here's another one. This is a deal of the day. And I'm really liking how he added like this banner and everything on here. So in this case, you could make some suggestions like, okay, the Shamrock is just a little bit plain. I think we need to add Kearney Motorsports, and do it in a way. I don't think it would be offensive at all, but his name is cut off here. And once again, like I said, just, it's kind of cut off right here, so you could sort of maybe make this a little bit better. But for the most part, you could offer to manage, his page. So this is just something that I wanted to say. Another way to get clients is just take a drive, and find some local businesses that are located near you, that are pretty much either where someone opened up the business themselves, smaller businesses. Just go to your local businesses and see what their page looks like, and just look it up, and then either stop in to see them or call them and schedule a time when you can come in and talk to them. So you want to have something to be able to present to them. So even if you have to make your own social media page, which I highly recommend, if you're going to start a social media marketing business, you need to have your own social media marketing page. So then you could send them that and put, these are services that I offer, and that's how you get your clients. Okay. And you can get your clients by also, politely pointing out, how this could be done a little bit better and how this could be done a little bit better. So it's all how you want to do it. If you just want to do the design part, or if you also want to do the design and also answering questions, things like that, that is up to you. So be sure to stay tuned and watch my next video, and I'm actually going to show you how to design a post that you can make for someone's social media page. Okay? Thank you so much for watching, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day.